This is day 5, and today I really wanted to embrace this one fact which I was kinda hiding from you, which is that these videos are not really a pleasant thing to do. Like, if I'm being honest, these videos particularly are like journal type of videos, right? So, you know that I'm prepping for CAT, you know that I'm trying to do ye wo, and then I come and tell you that I haven't done much today. It's like very shameful to accept. It's very shameful. It's very embarrassing. Cause on in one side I'm like playing this whole character that पढ़ाई करूँगा, and then on the other side I don't know. But today I genuinely did some things like fuck. Like point number one was that I started with percentages, and one thing that I made was this percentage conversion table, which is basically fraction to percentage kitna hua. Like 1/3 is 33, which is easy, but then comes 1/9, and you don't know, but it's 11.11, and then it's 1/11th, which is 9.09%, right? So it is very helpful, or so does Arun Sharma say. So yeah, I'm doing that. The second thing is fuck. Product constancy table. So what this is कि अगर A से B में A से B 10% इंक्रीज हुआ तो B के पर्सपेक्टिव से कितना कम हुआ. इट्स लाइक कि अगर A पे 25% बढ़ा दिया तो ये जो A1 जैसे अगर A 100 है तो 25% बढ़ा दिया तो 125 हो गया. तो 125 से कितना कम है A. लाइक इट्स अ टेबल, इट्स अ रेशियो टेबल लाइक दैट. सो जैसे 25 होता है तो 20 होता है. सो ये भी मैंने ये टेबल बनाया फॉर सम रीज़न बिकॉज समवन टोल्ड मी लाइक इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. दैट इज़ देयर. सो फॉर वन एग्जाम्पल इज कि अगर कोई नंबर 9.09% से बढ़ा तो फिर वो मतलब 8.33% से गिरा, इस टाइप का. समझ रहे हो गाइज यही दो चीज़ें की हैं मैंने. एंड लाइक आई एम बेसिकली यूजिंग अरुण शर्मा फॉर माई होल प्रेप. एंड डोंट आस्क मी व्हाई आई हैवंट बॉट द बुक. आई एम डूइंग इट फ्रॉम 8वां एडिशन विच इज़ लाइक 2018 का, विच इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू. And I'm also planning to fucking buy the new book as well as cut my hair, because apparently cutting hair is just a thing to do. Like I'll get my hair cut because it kind of reflects how my mental health is. Like long hair is हमारी लाइफ कूल चल रही है टाइप्स, and short hair is माँ चुत गई भाई. So yeah, haircut to be done. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ परसेंटेजेस करने. I shouldn't be talking in Hindi, you know. Fuck. भाई मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही फ्रैंक हो जा रहा हूँ इन वीडियोस में. ठीक है भाई, बस that's it for today.